Hello, Veena Dikshit here. Please like and subscribe my channel, and God bless you. Get success, my child. CH3COC6H5 acetophenone. Okay, this is the structure CH3COC6H5. When one H of CH3 group is replaced by benzoyl group, this is benzoyl group. C6H5CO group is benzoyl group, and then it is called benzoyl acetophenone. Rest of the structure will remain the same. CH2 one H is only replaced by C6H5CO group, so we'll call it benzoyl acetophenone. Clear to you? We can make ring also, but when I am making ring, so it will looking more difficult. So I have done did this way only C6H5. Now acetone, CH3COCH3 is acetone. When one H is replaced by acetyl group, this is acetyl group, CH3CO group, and then it will call acetyl acetone. Clear? So we have seen that acetophenone, one H is replaced by benzoyl group, so we call it benzoyl acetophenone. When in acetone, when one H is replaced by CH3CO group, that is acetyl group, it is called acetyl acetone. And this acetophenone, one H of this methyl group is replaced, alpha hydrogen is there. This is alpha hydrogen. Only alpha hydrogen can be replaced. So when alpha hydrogen is replaced by acetyl group, so we will call it acetyl acetophenone. See, when I am writing acetyl group, then this is acetyl group. So here I made this ring. So C6H5CO, instead of CH3, I have written CH2. Why? Because I removed H, acidic H, and in place I have write COCH3, that is acetyl group. Now it is acetyl acetophenone. When I replace it by benzoyl group, I call it benzoyl acetophenone. Clear to you? Now it will be easy to understand. Now we have to write down enol form of this. So any one of this. See, alpha hydrogen is here, H is going to this oxygen, and double bond is coming over here, and see here, this is OH. I took this one. Okay, H is going to here and double bond is coming to here, so that is why this is the enol form, and this will remain as such, and then there will be hydrogen bonding between H and oxygen. So enol form is more stable than keto form. Okay, in dicarbonyl compounds, enol form is more stable. Now here CH3COCH2 COCH3 acetyl acetone, we have done this already. Okay, so acetyl acetone. Now one H is replaced. See here, H is here, one H is going here, and double bond is coming over here. Here I have not shown by the arrow, that is why you will see, and then you will see that more stable enol form will be there. OH and H I should write on here, so that it will be easy for you. H I will write on here and O here. Okay, so hydrogen bonding will be there. Okay, so this enol form is more stable. Clear to you?